Money or health? How to balance both in life. Hello, everyone, and thank you for being here today. Have you ever asked yourself a difficult question? Should I focus on making more money, or should I protect my health? At first, these two goals can seem like they are competing with each other. Money gives us security, opportunities, and freedom. Health gives us energy, strength, and the ability to enjoy those opportunities. The truth is, choosing only one can create problems later. A better approach is learning how to build financial stability without sacrificing physical and mental well-being. Here are several practical steps to help create that balance. Number 1, define what enough money means. The first step is understanding your financial needs. Without a clear definition of enough, it is easy to keep chasing a higher income forever. Set realistic financial goals. Think about housing, food, transportation, family responsibilities, savings, emergencies, and future plans. Once these needs are understood, it becomes easier to decide how much work is actually necessary. Remember, earning more is not always the same as living better. If additional income requires constant overtime, very little sleep, and no personal time, the cost may be much higher than it appears. Number 2, protect your sleep. Sleep is one of the easiest things to sacrifice when work becomes demanding. Staying late at the office may seem productive, but regularly sleeping too little can leave the body and mind exhausted. Create a consistent bedtime whenever possible. Give yourself enough time to recover before another busy day begins. A rested person can often think more clearly, make better decisions, and work more efficiently. In that sense, sleep is not wasted time. It is an investment in tomorrow's performance. Number 3, schedule exercise, like an important meeting. Many people say they are too busy to exercise. However, waiting for free time often means exercise never happens. Instead, put physical activity into your schedule. Even a short walk, stretching session, cycling trip, or simple home workout can become part of your routine. The goal is not to become an athlete. The goal is to keep your body active and capable of supporting the life you want. 30 minutes of movement may seem small, but repeated consistently, those minutes can become a powerful habit. Number 4, build financial security without building a burnout. Money matters because financial stress can affect everyday life. Therefore, creating savings and controlling unnecessary spending can reduce pressure. Start with an emergency fund. Track your expenses. Avoid buying things simply because other people have them. Learn to distinguish between something you genuinely need and something you only want temporarily. When finances become more organized, there may be less pressure to accept every extra shift or work endlessly just to survive. Financial discipline can therefore support a healthier lifestyle. Number 5, set boundaries around work. Work can easily expand into every part of the day if there are no limits. Decide when the working day begins and when it ends. When possible, avoid checking work messages during personal time. Give yourself moments when your attention belongs to something other than your job. A career is an important part of life, but it should not become the entire identity of a person. When the working day finishes, allow your mind to switch into recovery mode. Number 6, spend time with people who matter. A successful life is not measured only by the amount in a bank account. Relationships, family, friendship, and meaningful conversations also have value. Make time for the people who support you. Have dinner together. Take a walk. Talk without constantly looking at a phone. Years from now, many people will remember experiences and relationships more clearly than the number of hours they spent answering emails. Number 7, take care of mental well-being. Physical fitness is important, but emotional balance deserves equal attention. If stress becomes overwhelming, Slow down and identify the source. Take breaks. Spend time outdoors. Practice deep breathing, meditation, journaling, or another activity that helps clear your mind. There is no prize for pretending to be strong every second of every day. Knowing when to rest is not weakness. It is part of maintaining long-term strength. Number 8, make health part of your financial plan. Think about health as a long-term asset. Eating nutritious food, staying active, getting enough rest, and having appropriate medical care may require time or money today, but neglecting these areas can create much greater costs later. Instead of asking, how much can I save today? Also ask, what am I doing today to protect my future? A healthy future can be more valuable than a larger paycheck. Number 9, increase income through efficiency, not only more hours. When someone wants more money, the first idea is often to work longer, but another possibility is to become more valuable. Improve your skills, learn new technology, develop communication abilities, become better at solving problems. Look for ways to complete important tasks more efficiently. The objective is to increase earning potential without constantly increasing working hours. More value can sometimes produce better results than simply spending more time at work. Number 10, review your life regularly. Every few months, stop and ask yourself some honest questions. Am I earning enough to support my needs? Am I sleeping well? Am I physically active? Do I have time for family and friends? Am I constantly stressed? Am I satisfied with the direction of my career? These questions can reveal whether one area has started taking too much attention. Balance does not mean giving exactly 50% to money and 50% to health every day. Life changes. Sometimes work needs more attention. At other times, recovery, family, or personal needs should come first. The important thing is noticing when the balance has been lost and having the courage to correct it. At the end of the day, money can buy a comfortable bed, but it cannot guarantee peaceful sleep. It can provide access to better opportunities, but it cannot automatically provide energy to enjoy them. Health, on the other hand, gives us the ability to experience what we work so hard to achieve. So perhaps the real question is not money or health. Maybe the better question is, how can I earn enough money while protecting the health that allows me to enjoy my life? Work hard, but know when to stop. Save for tomorrow, but remember to live today. Build your career, but protect your body. Take care of your finances, but do not forget your relationships. And most importantly, do not sacrifice the future just to make today look successful. A balanced life is not a perfect life. It is a life where your financial goals and personal well-being support each other instead of fighting each other. Thank you so much for spending these minutes with me. I hope this message reminds you that true success is not only about how much you earn, but also about how well you live. Take care of yourself, stay focused, stay healthy, and keep moving toward a better life. Thank you for watching, and I wish you good health, financial stability, peace of mind, and happiness every day.